In this video, I will guide you on how to set up Facebook stars. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon to head over to your profile. Here, find the professional dashboard option and select that. Now scroll down and under the monetization section, you're going to find the stars option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, before you can see the setup option, you should be eligible for this. You should have at least 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. You should reside in a supported country. You should follow Facebook's partner monetization and content monetization policies. Now, if you are eligible, you can simply tap on the setup option, then read and accept the star terms and conditions. Now, enter your legal name and address, select your business type, provide your tax ID, then link your bank account or PayPal for payments. Once set up, you can turn stars on for different types of content such as reels, live streams, and video on demand. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.